What's he doing? Bad dog! Don't go in there! Snuffles the dog was an alien the whole time?
Whoa! Plot twist of the century!
See, Boog? You never really know who's an alien in disguise.
Yeah, makes me wonder.
I wonder what aliens are like in real life.
Man, aliens?
But why not? Who knows what's out there? What if that wasn't a shooting star, but an alien spacecraft?
Yeah.
Sure, it looked like a shooting star, but it was definitely a UFO.
It's the only rational explanation for the strange creature we encountered.
What strange creature?
Yeah, und what made it so unusual?
Oh, I don't know. Perhaps it's 3 glowing alien eyes?
What?
Simmer down, the lot of yez! You're all getting carried away on hearsay from Captain Uno Antler and the Big Beluga. Oh, right. And what was you doing out by the highway in the first place?
On our way home from the movies.
Oh, how nice for you. And what movie was it exactly?
Yikes, my pets, and...
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't quite catch that.
Yikes, my pet's an alien.
Come on.
I rest my case.
I know you're thinking, we've been to the movies, so our imaginations were all fired up, but that still don't explain what we saw.
Yeah. We'll prove it to you. We'll go and find that alien.
You'll do no such thing. If there is a creature roaming the woods, that falls under camp security. I'll check out your outlandish claims. Not that I've nae better to be doing with my time. There's an acorn shortage this season, and the lads are driving me nuts about it.
What if we tagged along and helped you look?
No! Stay put, Mulder and Scully. You've caused enough trouble already. Aliens, pah!
Well, what did you find?
Evidence!
What kind of evidence?
Evidence that they are indeed amongst us.
Aliens?
No, numpties! Aye, a pair of numpties who saw this. There's your quote-unquote alien. Found it down by the road stuck on a branch. Must have come loose and bounced across the road in front of you. You two shouldn't be out at night with your imaginations cooking up tales of flying saucers and the like. I'm no surprised at Twiggly here, but you overstuffed pajama bag, should have more sense.
I mean, I guess it could have been this. But here's the thing. Don't you need light to make reflectors work?
Can you stop? Wait. There are no lights on that stretch of road. How long's it been?
Well, the moon was there, and now it's... What's it doing in the old mine shaft? Guess we'll find out when we go in there.
Go in there? If we're gonna meet an alien, we need to figure out what's the best way to do it. First impressions matter.
We could bake it a welcome cake. Everyone likes cake, right? We should go all out. 5-layer chocolate vanilla with sprinkles. We found the alien!
Sounds more like you lost your minds. What in the name of Jock McStockings are you up to at this wee hour?
The wheel didn't add up, McSquiz. So, me and my sidekick, Agent Boog, went alien tracking and...
Hoochman, enough! Camp Wild is hereby on full lockdown!
But the alien is hiding out in the old mine.
I didn't want it to come to this, lads, but you've no idea what you're dealing with. Back in the day, I too had a run-in with a creature from outer space with 3 glowing eyes.
Just like ours?
Ah, and just like you, I thought it might just be a wee space tourist looking to make friends on the far side of the galaxy. But nay! I discovered it was merely a scout for an army of evil extraterrestrial invaders!
Oh, mein Schnitzel! What happened?
I sent it packing with a warning. If its kind heir dared return, they'd feel the wrath of Clan McSquizzy on their shiny green heinies. But it's come back for vengeance. This is between me and the little green fella. Now, I must insist that all campers lock their doors and dinna leave camp. I'll deal with it alone at first light.
Good on ya.
Hero!
Makes sense.
And don't you think it's a little strange McSquizzy said he didn't believe, and then he did believe? Sounds fishy to me. You want to know my theory?
No, most definitely not.
McSquizzy wants to meet our alien so he can claim all the glory for being the first Earth representative to an alien species.
Let it go, E. Believe him or not, he's probably right. Good night.
Hello? Alien? A peaceful alien?
We do not come in peace, Earthling. Leave. And if you or anyone else enters my lair again, Camp Wild will be annihilated.
Annihilated? But we got you cake!
Away, you numpty, before I lose my alien temper.
Boo, 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 boog! I made first contact with the alien.
You did what?
It said if anyone from Camp Wild went to the mine again,
You will be annihilated.
and I was like, we got cake, man! And it was like,
We gotta let McSquizzy know before he goes out there.
Has anyone seen McSquizzy?
McSquizzy! Oh no, he left already.
Wasn't he gonna go at first light?
If he sets foot in that mine, Camp Wild will be vaporized!
Okay, hey! Panicking isn't gonna help anyone, especially McSquizzy. If this alien wants a fight, then we'll give it one. It's gonna feel the wrath of Clan Camp Wild on its shiny green hiding. Who's with me? Okay, campers, we can do this. McSquizzy?
Oh no! It's just like in the movie! McSquizzy's been an alien this whole time! We're doomed!
Not on my watch. Come on! McSquizzy? Don't be scared now. We promised to go easy on your shiny green hiney before we send you packing back to outer space.
Oh no! Alien eggs! The invasion's already started!
Hey, you! Put my acorns down!
Huh? Acorn?
Aye, acorns.
So, Alien McSquizzy's gonna obliterate Earth over acorns? Wait! Do spaceships run on nuts?
No, you numpty. I mean, yes. I mean, that's it. I'm an alien, right enough? Rawr!
There's no alien. Never was.
Ooh, you sound just like an alien!
It was you in this getup all along. You were midnight nut rustling.
Aye, and I would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for you two meddling numpties.
I don't know what's worse. You selling us a line of baloney or keeping all these nuts for yourself in the middle of an acorn shortage? Wait! You're the reason there's an acorn shortage in the first place!
I'm sorry. Once a nut hoarder, always a nut hoarder. Surely, you understand, lads? Oh, just one question. What exactly are you going to do with me acorns?
So, no such thing as aliens after all.
Yep, only in the movies, pal. Only in the movies.
Ah! UFO! UFO!
Give it a rest, McSquizzy.
Oh, bagpipes.